Hello student, we will do here percentage composition by mass of element. So here percentage composition of each element in C6H12O6, that is glucose. So how many carbon here? 6 carbon. Okay, 6 carbon of 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. So formula for the percentage composition will be percentage of carbon is equal to mass of carbon by total mass of given compound multiplied by 100, and likewise mass of hydrogen is equal to mass of hydrogen by total into 100, and mass of oxygen is equal to mass of percentage of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen by total mass into 100. Now we will see what is the total mass. So 12 carbon, so 6 into 12.01, 12 hydrogen, so 12 into 1.008, 6 oxygen, so 6 multiplied by 16. Write down the value, answer will be 180.096 gram per mole. Okay, this is the total mass of the C6H12O6. One more having this much mass. So percentage of carbon will be equal to, we have calculated it, 72.06. okay, so we will put the value 72.06 multiplied by 100 divided by 180.096. This will come everywhere. Okay, 180.096. This is the total mass which we have calculated. Where here? Okay, so this will be with carbon, with hydrogen, with oxygen, it will be on the denominator, right? So must remember that 100 should be there everywhere because percentage by mass we are calculating. So 6 into 12.01 into 100 divided by this, answer will be 40.012. Now percentage of hydrogen is equal to 12 into 0.08, 12 into 1.008 into 100 divided by 180.096 equal to 12.096 into 100 divided by 180.096. Calculate it out, it will be this 6.7. Okay, now percentage of hydrogen will be 6 into 16 multiplied by 100 divided by 180.096. Answer will be, here calculator out, it will be 53.3. So percentage of carbon is 40%, hydrogen is 6.7 and oxygen is 53.3%. Clear to you? All the best. God bless you. Okay, so I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Basic funda is percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Always write down mass first, mass of given element hydrogen divided by total mass multiplied by 100, and then you put the value everywhere. For carbon this is for hydrogen, this is for oxygen.